Welcome to Exhibits Today. My name is Josh, and here we are at the World Trade Center celebrating Noel's Bazaar 2024. So this event will come from November 22 to December 1. And here we have, can you please introduce yourself?
Hi, hello. My name is Patricia de Guzman. I am the owner of eShop Clothing. Ayan. Yung mga gusto pumunta sa Noel Bazaar, open kami from November 22 to December 1. Ayan. Until 10 p.m. tayo everyday. Ayan.
Oh, do you also know the booth number? Na para
Sorry. Yung booth number namin is 278. Ayan. Open na kami ng 9 a.m. Kaya tara na punta na kayo.
Ayan. Thank you very much, Miss Pat. Anyways, Miss Pat, can you please tell us the reason behind the name of eShop Clothing?
Nag-start yung eShop namin, actually Easy Shop pa siya dati. Pero dahil yung first name ng husband ko, nag-start siya sa letter E. Tapos parang doon lang namin siya na nagawin na natin na medyo unique siya, sir, na parang E, tapos lagyan na lang namin ng shop. Kasi nga since nakaka-base kami sa Taytay, Tiangi talaga. Tapos kaya doon nagsimula yung eShop Clothing talaga namin. Since 2018 pa kami, sir.
Since 2018?
Yes, 2018
And
kami.
I do believe that you mentioned that you're selling it also in your
In my,
social media
yes.
accounts, tama ba?
Meron din po kaming TikTok. We have TikTok. Tapos meron din kaming Facebook, Shopee. Same name lang naman po siya lahat. eShop Clothing lang po siya.
eShop Clothing. Pero like, on what year did you try to sell them online? Because you mentioned that you started selling it physically sa mga stores sa Taytay, diba? So, kailan ka nagkaroon ng parang boost na to move over
Online.
to
Actually, kasi ng pandemic. Tapos, ang naisip ko kasi parang nagbo-browse lang ako. Tapos nakita ko parang nakakabenta yung mga seller. Tapos sabi ko sa asawa ko, itry ko mag-post. Tapos, ang galing, nung pagka-post ko lang ng 1 day, 2 days lang yun, sir. Parang nakabenta agad kami ng 100 pieces. Kaya
Wow.
super, namin. Nagulat ako sa kanya. Akala pa nga niya, naglolo ko. Kasi usually, di ba yung TikTok dati, sabi niya,
may errors, may
parang daw lang, yung mga gumagamit lang yung mga
yeah.
Pero nagulat siya. Tapos ayun, nung tinuloy-tuloy ko siya, sir, parang netong after a year, biglang sobrang grabe yung boom talaga namin talaga sa TikTok. Tapos yung t-shirt na nagpa-sold kami, actually more than magpo 400,000 sold na siya sa
Wow.
TikTok. Talagang
Congrats.
super kami, grateful talaga kami, sir, na dahil kay TikTok malaking bagay talaga sa amin kasi dahil kay TikTok, nakabili kami ng mga, yung bahay talaga namin, katas talaga ni TikTok talaga siya, sir. Talagang super, namin kay TikTok, super blessed namin na nagkaroon din ng TikTok talaga, sir.
That's God's blessing na ito.
Yes po, yung God's grace talaga.
Pero through hard work, through passion,
yes po.
especially your, work ethic, kaya, from a small scale of business, you were
Yes,
able to
opo.
get to your goal. But I believe that you have yet more goals to accomplish, tama
Yes
ba?
po, yes. Super dami pa namin gusto i-accomplish kasi gusto pa rin namin talaga makabenta na mas maraming mga product po na mas affordable. Tapos, mas gusto pa rin namin talaga marami kami matulungan ng mga affiliate. Kaya makikita po na nyo sa TikTok, more most on mga product po namin, matataas talaga yung mga commission namin dahil doon din po kami nagpo-focus na gusto rin namin, hindi lang namin gusto makabenta pero makatulong din po sa mga other sellers po talaga. Ayun, sir, talagang super kami sa marami nang nakapag sa amin, nag-thank you, yan, super po talaga namin, flatter namin yun, sir, talagang dahil sa kanila talagang nag-boom din naman yung TikTok namin, sir, ayun.
Actually, Miss Pat, when I tried to check your booth, actually, ang ganda ng mga clothing niya eh. Like, you're following the current trend right
Yes,
now,
yes,
especially
po.
sa mga Gen Z,
Yes,
kasi
po.
sobrang masa nga naman, di ba? At the same time, selling them with good quality
Yes.
as well, for pristine clothing, for a budget price.
Yes po. Talagang super budget lang po talaga kami, sir, kasi ang target market talaga namin, yung talagang masa lang, sir.
Pamasa.
Tsaka yung pinaka-affordable talaga na kaya namin. Actually, yung price namin, di kami tumataas na ng 300 up. Lagi kami 300 down below lang kasi yun yung target market namin na mas makabenta kami ng affordable. Pero quality po talaga.
Yeah, just so you know, guys, it's still in the quality.
Yes
like,
po.
When you touch the clothing, mismo, yung pagkakagawa,
Yes po.
sobrang fine po. Yeah.
Yan, super sir, kasi talagang grabe yung ng TikTok sa amin, talagang laking bagay. Tapos di naman pero sa 2 years kasi namin, sir, thankful talaga kami dahil nakabenta na rin kami ng halos 1.1 million sold na rin
Wow.
kami sa TikTok. Kaya super saya po namin talagang ayun, sir.
Thank you very much, Miss
Thank you po.
Pat.
Thank you so much po. Thank you.
Guys, so just to give you a heads up, their booth is eShop Clothing, and If you're interested on checking their booth, it's booth
278.
278. Yan, 278 guys. Yan. From November 22 till December 1, ano pa hinihintay nyo? Please do visit their shop for their really good clothing for a, for accommodating price.
Yes po, yes.
And just to give you a quick highlight na para alam mo, magkakaroon din naman kayo ng magkakaroon din naman kayo scenes regarding on their products. So almost all of their products is more on the minimalistic side.
Yes.
With minimal
Price.
minimal design, but it's still good. It's really good. Like clean shop for me. Yeah, guys. Anyways, that's it. Thank you again.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, nice meeting you.
I just want to thank our major sponsors, BNU and Swedish Design, and to our major, to our executive producer, Sir Rick Angeles, and to our major host, Sir Hernan Falcon. Just want to say, God bless. Thank you.